Good morning, class 9 students. How are you all? Hope you all good and healthy at your home. Welcome back to the video series of your computer, chapter number 3. This is the video number 3 of your chapter 3. I'm your computer teacher, Shifa Monga from California Public School. So in the last video, we have discussed till this point, that is literals. So we have started one important topic, that was your token, and again we are going to discuss the various types of tokens, and we have already discussed what is literals. Now come to the identifiers. So let's start. Identifier is the term used to represent program elements such as function name or class name. Variables used in Java programming are called as identifiers. So in a computer language, we know we have to make computer statements, और computer statements को identity देने के लिए, and वो statements क्या हो सकती हैं, that is your function name और class name. उस चीज़ को जब हम लोग identity provide करते हैं, that identity name is called identifiers or variables name. Clear? So a variable is a named memory location which contains a value. The value of a variable can change depending upon the circumstances and problems in a program. A variable can possess any combination of letters without spaces. We can declare more than one variable of the same type in a statement. So let me have one example. So suppose there is an example. Here we have a variable which is of type integer. That means जो a variable है उसमें वो value रखी जाएगी जिसमें decimal point नहीं होता. In the last we have discussed that integer is a number which do not have a decimal point. Here you have a 10. Value of a is 10, that is of type integer. A is a number, 10 is a number which is without decimal. So in the memory it will be like this. ऐसा होगा memory में. So there is a location in memory and we have a value in it. So in the memory, a is what has written, that is a variable is a named memory location. So there is a name a and this is the memory location which contains a value. It has a value 10. The value of a variable can change depending upon the circumstances and problem in the program. ये 10 value change भी हो सकती है. It can be 20 or 25 according to the according to the circumstances. A की value throughout the program change भी हो सकती है. It's not fixed. Clear? And a variable can possess any combination of letters without spaces. So you cannot take like this. So here is one more example. We have a variable named simple interest which is of type integer. यहाँ पे लिखा है you cannot take space. यहाँ पे मैं space नहीं ले सकती. So this variable name I have taken is wrong because in simple interest we have a space and space is not allowed and space between letter is not allowed. तो यहाँ पे space नहीं ले सकती. या तो मैं इसको कनेक्ट कर दूँ इसके साथ तो ये करेक्ट हो जाएगा बिल्कुल. So there is no space. So we can declare more than one variable in the same type of the same type in a statement like this. So here we have a 3 variables a, b and c और तीनों का टाइप क्या है, इंटीजर. तो हम एक लाइन के अंदर इसको लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? Just like this. We can declare more than one variable. More than one variable, we have 3 variables a, b, c of the same type. And what is the type of all 3 is integer in a statement, in a single statement. Clear? So here is the syntax: data type, space and variable name. Suppose this is your example integer. Here is a space, m is a variable of type integer, float p comma q comma r. So the value assigned to a variable gets stored at the specific location in the memory. If any change in its value occur due to an operation, it is maintained in the same location by replacing the existing value. Thus a variable can change its value as shown below. So there is example, before execution m has a value 5, तो memory में देखो 5 है, so this is your memory and m has a value 5. data value 5 is stored in location named m. जिस लोकेशन पे 5 मेमोरी में स्टोर्ड है, व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दैट लोकेशन इज m. आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन, सो देर इज़ अ स्टेटमेंट, आपको क्या करना है, m इंटू एम को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर होगा वो m लोकेशन में ही डाल देना है. दैट मीन्स आप कोई न्यू लोकेशन नहीं लोगे. जब m और m की वैल्यू, व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ m हियर 5, जब आप 5 और 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर होगा उसको किससे रिप्लेस कर दोगे, जो m में पहले वैल्यू है, दैट इज़ 5, तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 25. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड रीयूजेबिलिटी ऑफ मेमोरी. आपने मेमोरी वेस्ट नहीं की, आपने जस्ट उसको रीयूज़ किया. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव रूल्स फॉर नेमिंग अ वेरिएबल. अब वेरिएबल आप कैसे लिख सकते हो, सो देर आर रूल्स फॉर देम. अ वेरिएबल मे हैव एनी नंबर ऑफ करेक्टर्स. इट्स अ करेक्टर्स सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सपोज दिस इज़ अ वेरिएबल नेम हमने लिया था, तो हेयर वी हैव 1 to 5 एंड 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 करेक्टर्स थे इसमें. सो देर इज़ नो लिमिट ऑन दिस. यू कैन हैव एनी नंबर ऑफ characters in your variable. It may contain alphabets, digits, dollar sign and underscore. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. alphabet from A to Z, digit from 0 to 9, dollar symbol. What is the dollar symbol here? So this is called the dollar symbol. Clear? And underscore like this. Okay, so the underscore can be used in between the character to separate the words of the variable name. सपोज यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिंपल इंटरेस्ट था एंड वी हैड अ स्पेस हियर, यहाँ पे स्पेस थी, तो आप अंडरस्कोर भी डाल सकते थे इसमें, तो ये भी क्या हो जाता, आफ्टर दिस करेक्ट हो जाता. क्लियर? सो स्पेस अलाउड नहीं है, वी कैन यूज सिंपल देन अंडरस्कोर देन इंटरेस्ट, तो वो करेक्ट हो जाता. सो द वेरिएबल नेम शुड बी मीनिंगफुल विच ईजिली डिपेक्ट्स इट्स purpose. Suppose if you want to enter a age of a person, suppose if you want to enter your age 15 years, so instead of having a or b, आप इसका वेरिएबल का नेम क्या ले लो, age, तो easily आपको क्या हो जाएगी, age is recognized हो जाएगी. and age is a number which is of type integer, so its data type is integer. Clear? Age, integer age is equals to 15. So always try to have these kind of variables name which is meaningful and easily depicts its purpose. Depicts means indicates its purpose. Clear? So after this we have a assignment. Assignment already हम लोग कर चुके हैं in this example. Assignment means to assign a value to a variable. Like in this we have a variable a of type integer and have a value 10. So initialization or assignments means assign करना किसी को value using this symbol. So assigning means to store constants in variable using a token equal to symbol. Here equals to act as a assignment operator. So here we have a assignment operator. Equals to is a assignment operator. The data type of the variable depends upon the constant. You must ensure that the constants are going to store the same data type as they have declared. That means अगर आप लोग 10 लेना चाहते हो, that 10 is a integer number, so आपको वही यहाँ पे data type लेना पड़ेगा. Suppose if you want to enter 5.5 and it's not an integer number, 5.5 is a float number, so you have to take float variable. So let me have b for this, b variable name equals to is a assignment operator. So what is the syntax? Data type, okay, data type variable, b is your variable, assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator constant means 5.5. So here is your syntax and here is your example. So we have many more example of this. Integer m equals to 15. 15 is stored in the variable m. कैसे होगा memory के अंदर? m 15 which is of type integer. Why integer? Because it is a number without decimal. Float n equals to 4. So here is data type, variable name, assignment operator, constant. 45.25, it's a float number, so that is why we are taking float. Memory के अंदर कैसे होगा? n equals to n is 45.24 like this. So character char अब आप in the last video we have discussed we have to enclose single character in single quotes. ये क्या था हमने? So k is a character which is enclosed in a single quotes. What is the data type of this character? It's char and variable name is chr. तो कैसे होगा in the memory? It's chr, value is k. Clear? So after this string is a variable, data type, str is a variable name, equals to assignment and computer application is your constant. So कैसे रहेगा ये? It is enclosed in double quotes, so that is why it is a combination of characters here. So अब ये memory में कैसे रहेगा? It's str so like this, computer applications. Clear? So here we have a declaration table, teacher A assigning constant. So there is जब तक, so declaration means when we have only data type and variable name. Integer A, no value assign, कोई value अभी A को assign नहीं है. So this is only the declaration of variable A. जब हम ये लिख देते हैं integer A equals to 5, so that means declaration and initialization. Declaration B of B variable which is of type long. तो B की value क्या है? This. So there is a table. Float F is a variable of type float and it has a value 3.45. D is a variable of type double, तो ये उसकी value है. So in the next video we will discuss what actually double and character and long data type. We will read this about further, but till now you have to just remember their name. So character ch is a variable of type character and it has a value k. str is a variable of type string and it has a value computer. So p is a variable of type boolean and it has a value false. Remember in boolean data type we have discussed it has only two values at a time, either true or false, so it is that one. So this is all about today's period. In the next period we will further discuss about in detail. So till then, take care, have a good day, bye.